Welcome to Picsart 101. Today we're going to walk you through all the ways you could use templates. Templates are essential for anyone looking to grow their social media presence and up-level their content marketing. We have templates for every use case you could imagine. From travel to aesthetic to business, we've got it all. To start, simply press on the plus button and scroll down until you see templates. Tap on all templates to check out the full selection. From here, you can search by keyword, sort by size, or browse by category. Let's go for a simple sale template. All you have to do is type sale in the search box and choose one that fits your brand's look and feel. Once you find one you like, just tap on it to automatically open it in the editor. Our templates are fully customizable. You can easily change existing components and make adjustments as needed. You can also add new components like text, stickers, and additional images. Tapping on the background option will also allow you to change the ratio to fit whatever platform you are posting to. We have size guides from Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, so you never have to worry about resizing to post your graphics across all your social media accounts. That's it! You can think of Picsart as your template partner in crime.